Hello, my name is Desmond Holmes from Rhode Island, and I'm happy to give a quick shout out in appreciation to Dr. Orpe and the Netpreneur franchise system team. I'm so glad that I found you and your breakthrough money making system. Truth is, I've been looking around for a very long time for a home-based biz that someone like me could learn and operate without having to be some kind of a tech whiz. And I also learned the things that I needed to build a lasting business of my own profitable online. You know what I mean? So it was great to get the Netpreneur franchise system. It's helped me make some quick money, literally within hours. Also, containing a comprehensive training program to teach me how to become a long-term profitable internet marketer in my own right. Dr. Orpe, you were very clear step by step with your instructions on the done for you packages. It made it very easy for me to start making money immediately. I made well over $3,200 in my first 35 days as an NSF associate. Your 4-in-1 easy to learn program, it's given me great confidence that I can actually achieve my long-term financial goals online while making pretty good money along the way. Honestly, this is clearly the best system I've ever tried, and I strongly recommend it to anyone who's ready to break the jinx of frustration online. And get this, there's only $1 trial to check it out. To me, that makes it a no-brainer. My advice to anyone out there that's, anyone who still has the opportunity to get in on this, you need to jump at it right away. You'll be very glad that you did. So thank you, Dr. Orpe, for putting so much energy, effort, and substance into this program. Thank you so much.